If you've ever wanted to keep related Chrome tabs together without losing track of them, this quick tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two Chrome tabs into one organized tab group, so you can keep your browser cleaner, faster to manage, and much easier to navigate. This is especially useful if you're researching, comparing websites, or working on multiple tasks at the same time. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first step is to right-click on one of the tabs you want to group. When you right-click, a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Add Tab to New Group. This creates a new tab group in Chrome. Next, Chrome will ask you to name the group. This is where you can give it a label that makes sense for what you're working on. For example, you could name it Work, Shopping, Research, School, or anything else that helps you remember what the tabs are for. Naming the group is optional, but it really helps keep things organized. After that, choose a color for the group. Chrome gives you several color options, and each one makes it easier to spot your grouped tabs at a glance. Pick the color that works best for you, whether you want something bright and easy to notice, or something more subtle and clean. Now here's the part that actually merges your tabs together. Simply drag the other tab you want to include into the same group. As you move it over, Chrome will place it into that tab group, and now both tabs will stay organized under the same label and color. You can keep dragging in more tabs if you want to build out the group further. This is a great way to manage related pages without cluttering your browser. Instead of having tabs scattered everywhere, everything stays neatly grouped in one place. If you want to open the group later, just click on the colored group label, and your tabs will be right there. You can also collapse or expand the group whenever you need more space on your screen. That makes tab groups one of the easiest ways to stay productive in Chrome. So that's how you merge two Chrome tabs using tab groups. Right-click a tab, add it to a new group, name it, choose a color, and drag the other tab into that group. It's simple, fast, and a great way to keep your browser organized. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.